Welcome to Billy Whittaker's, where you're going to find a lot of nice SUVs. What makes it a nice SUV? It's how it looks, how it feels, and how it drives. Come on, let me show you. Here's a 2007 Jeep Liberty Limited 4x4. This car has been through our shop. It's degreased, it's shampooed, and then it's steam cleaned. And that's how it gets to look like new. We also take a lot of pride on the finish in our cars. You'll see the reflection in the paint. No scrapes, no scratches. We double buff all of our cars with a high wax polish that really shines. Once the outside's perfect, we get to work on the interior. We hand scrub the upholstery, steam clean it, and hand towel it dry. The mats are scrubbed, shampooed, and steamed. It's spotless. This SUV has all of the popular options: AM/FM CD player, automatic, ice-cold air conditioning. It's the 4x4, power windows, and power locks. And yes, it's even got the leather interior. This car looks nice, feels good, but for me, it's all about how it drives. Here at Billy Whittaker's, we road test every vehicle. We check out how they ride, how they stop, and how they go. This car has passed all 100 checkpoints with flying colors. When you see this on a car, truck, or an SUV, you know it's good to go.